On June 28, 2025, an officer with the Pleasant Prairie Police Department in Wisconsin was on patrol when he spotted a black sedan with tinted windows blow through a stop sign. Moments later, the driver made a left-hand turn without signaling. The erratic driving was enough for the officer to initiate a stop, but what he didn't know was what exactly was fueling the driver's unpredictable behavior.
76 eastbound.
See a black sedan, high rate of speed is the reason for the stop, coming up to H.
South, H. Tempting him 2774. Eastbound highway 50. Light traffic. Speeds are 50. Coming up to the middle to medium traffic. Coming up over the hill right here. Medium traffic. Inside the lane. Negative on the sticks. Still right behind him. Speeds are 70, approaching 72nd. Alright, we have green light at 72nd, approaching the red. I'm gonna see if I can channel to go south of Green Bay. South Green Bay, South Green Bay.
Oh, I checked the negative.
Speeds are going to be 55. I'm going to have county coming in with me here.
North 85th.
10-4 approaching Bain Station. Speeds are 90. Lane 2. Speeds 105. Light traffic. Still coming up towards you. Going south. Slowing down 70 miles an hour. Alright, speeds are 87 and increasing, passing Meyer Distribution.
Outside lane, lane 3, outside lane.
29 speeds 105, approaching 95th, lane 2.
Take lane 1.
Good sticks, southbound from 95th, right tires. Southbound speeds are 70 and increasing, approaching 104th. No traffic. Road conditions good. 29 speeds 99 and increasing, approaching the red light 104th. We are slowing down. Let's see if I can we're flattening tires here, guys, so if we can talk to them, that would be phenomenal. Going through 104th. We got both right tires flat. I'm going to try to slow them down and channel them from the front or head off. 209 PD, we're still south. Both right tires are flat. 209 both tires are flat. Adam King Young, 2774, unknown occupants. Approaching 116 business. Starting the fleet here. I'm trying to get in front, slow down. jump in front of him and see if we can get a test.
We got a unit from 1120 active pursuit or active pursuit stop.
2-9 intentional contact. 2 squads have been hit. We need to end this.
Hands! One voice! Hands up! Do not move! Back! Slow down! We're fine! Slow down! Turn the sirens off! Turn the sirens off! No one's at the I don't know how. Turn the sirens off! Everybody chill out.
You said somebody on command, the police dog will bite you. Do you understand?
Get out and walk towards that police dog.
That's fine. Do not run.
Hands visible.
You okay? I'm fine. He hit Armando.
Yeah, several times.
Keep those hands visible, driver. Crawl out, keep your hands visible.
Yep. Walk out, walk towards that dog, otherwise we're letting it go.
Get out.
Do not run.
All right, you guys got it. Take command.
Step back towards us. Step back towards us. You got hands. Yep. Step back. Keep going. Anyone else in the car? No, just me. Keep coming back. Drop to your knees. If you move, you will get sick.
We need you put your hands up or you
Who else is in the car?
There's no one in the car. It's just me. There's no one in the car. 100%.
Let's get him back.
It's just me.
Weapons?
In the car, yes.
What's in the car?
Concealed carry, Glock.
You're under arrest.
Yes,
32 in the car.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna hit you guys in the car.
Here.
It's all taped. It's not gonna go out.
I'm not, yeah, hold on. Can you see in there? All right, there we go. All right, we're good. Code 4-1 in custody. They're clearing the vehicle now.
We're speeding. Just so you know, you're getting charged with a 10th homicide, okay? For your actions right there. 100%.
Without the bumper? All right.
Don't plan on getting out.
Probably the dumbest shit I've ever seen someone do.
Did you piss yourself too? No. Because you're so afraid?
They're just whack.
I just have registration.
Step back.
Tires up, so it's gonna have to get towed.
9-8, we're gonna need Lake County for a crash stock. Bullet. Your car's done.
Are you okay though?
Yeah, I'm fine. Sorry, guys.
So yeah, at least 3 counts of attempt homicide. And I'm going to be very confident in that charge. You intentionally struck multiple squad cars for a speeding violation. And a stop sign violation.
More
Sit.
There's more in there? Thank you. Hold.
Oh.
Welcome to Prairie.
I did not try to strike any cars. I was definitely just trying to get out of the way, but it's alright, it's fine. We do want to have cameras. I did not try to, definitely reckless drive.
What's going on, dude?
How you doing, boss?
You okay?
Yeah, they hit me a couple times, but it wasn't anything damaging to me or whatnot.
All right. Did you take anything tonight?
Oh yeah.
What'd you take?
Crack and cocaine.
Okay.
Yep.
And how long ago did you do it?
Probably, just all day.
All day?
Yeah.
When did you do it last?
Like, probably right before I left Target.
Okay.
So pretty much as soon as he came and got me, so probably like 10, 15, 20 minutes.
Okay. And you're sure you don't want to take it to the hospital?
I'm okay, yeah.
Okay. Do you know how much you took?
Today, crack, about 70 G's, and then coke probably 2.
According to the police report, officers searched the suspect's vehicle and discovered a glass bong with white residue, a bag containing a white rocky substance, another bag with white powder, a second bong with residue, and a Glock 19 with a laser sight and extended magazine, loaded with a single 9mm round. The suspect was identified as Marco Infusino. He was transported to a regional hospital in Zion, Illinois, where he was cleared for incarceration. Tests later confirmed that both bags recovered from the vehicle contained cocaine. According to court documents, Marco was charged with 3 misdemeanors: hit and run, possession of cocaine, and possession of drug paraphernalia. He also faced 6 felony charges: fleeing and eluding, along with 5 counts of first-degree recklessly endangering safety. A Kenosha court commissioner signed a $75,000 arrest warrant and later set bail at $50,000 during Marco's first court appearance. Just 8 days later, his bail was reduced to $15,000. Marco posted the cash bond and was placed in an inpatient drug treatment facility where he will remain until November 2025. His final pre-trial hearing is scheduled for December 15, 2025. Marco has entered a plea of not guilty and, as the law presumes, remains innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.